Let's face it, the housing market has gone through a lot of shifts lately, and it can be confusing and overwhelming, especially for new home buyers. With fluctuating prices, roller coaster interest rates, and low inventory levels, it's difficult to know where to begin. But it doesn't have to be that way. Hi, I'm Jennifer Bright with Bright Homes, and unfortunately, when information's not clear, it can present a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. Buying a home is a big decision and one you should feel confident in making. That's why it's so important to work with a well-seasoned agent to help you separate the fact from the fiction. The right agent can educate you on what's happening at the national and local level in the housing market by presenting accurate housing data. They can help you understand the different trends on what's happening locally in a market versus what's happening on the national level that you hear in the news. So understanding today's market as a buyer will put you in a better position to make an informed decision in the home buying process. The bottom line is, if you're planning to enter the housing market and you're feeling a little confused on what's going on, it's best to consult an experienced real estate team. So please feel free to connect with me and my team so we can help guide you through this important decision. Remember, we love helping our clients the bright way to find your perfect home.